We're going to start off in a mountain pose, top of the mat, palms facing forward. And go ahead and just take a minute here and start focusing on your breathing. Making sure you have perfect posture. Pressing down through your feet, so getting your legs active, drawing the ribs in, reaching your tailbone down, and pinning your shoulder blades together. So just getting some of your muscles active. Pull your chin toward your throat, pull your neck toward the back. And again, just focusing on breathing here. 30 more seconds. Inhale your arms up. Press your palms together. Reach up, reach back, standing back bend. Pressing down through your feet, squeezing your thighs toward one another. Focusing on stretching your chest, but at the same time, tightening your core, strengthening your spine. Lift up, lean back. 20 more seconds. Maybe straightening your arms a little bit more. And then take it into a chair pose from here. So mindfully, weight into your hips, hips toward the back, spine straight, neck neutral. So working on opening up your shoulders, engaging your upper back, warming up your thighs, warming up your hips. One more breath here. And then chest to thighs, hands to the ground, keep your knees bent. And now lift your hips just until you feel a stretch through your hamstrings. Controlled forward fold. One breath here. Half lift, hands to shins, pull your body forward. And forward fold, release your hands. Step your left foot to the back. Setting up for warrior one. Hip squared forward, weight in your right hip, bring your arms up. Deep stretch through your left hip. Ribs draw in. Arms squeeze back. So opening up the hips, strengthening your right leg, working into your ankles, and strengthening your upper back as you open up your chest. Hang out here for 4 more breaths. Head up, neck back. Slowly lower your hands down. Step up to a forward fold, bending your knees as much as you need. Next, inhale, half lift. Exhale and fold. Inhale, come all the way up. Sit your hips down. Arms overhead. Exhale, hands to center. 2 breaths in mountain. Inhale back up. Exhale and fold. Bending your knees, hands to the ground, look behind you. Tuck the chin. Inhale, half lift, pull forward. Exhale and fold, hands down. Step your right leg to the back. Warrior one. Squeeze your thighs toward one another. Weight in your left hip. Bring your arms up. Draw the ribs in. Arms squeeze toward the back, opening up the chest, strengthening the upper back. Make sure you're pushing into the outer edge of your back foot, opening up the ankle. And again, hanging out here for 4 deep breaths. Every exhale working a little bit deeper into this. Hands down, either side of your front foot. Step up to a forward fold. Look behind you, forward fold. Half lift, pull forward. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, come all the way up. Hands together, hands back to center. A couple more breaths in mountain. Just checking in with your body, working on body awareness. Inhale, arms back up. Press your palms together and lean toward the right, hips toward the left. 3 breaths in a standing side bend. Staying as tall as you can. Palms pressing together. 1 more breath. Back to the middle, inhale. Exhale to the left, hips to the right. And again, 3 breaths here. Stay tall, stay long. Back to the middle, breathe in. Go ahead and sit into a chair. Keep your neck neutral with the rest of your spine. Squeeze your arms back, open up your chest. 2 breaths here. And fold chest to thighs. Squeezing your thighs forward, looking back between your legs, tightening your core. 1 breath here. Inhale, half lift. Exhale and fold. Step your left foot to the back. Runner's lunge. Dig down through your right foot. Pull your chest forward. Sink into your hips. So work a little bit deeper into your left hip. Try to pull your chest forward. Your goal is to make a straight line from your back heel to your head. 2 more breaths. Maybe hovering your hands for the last breath. And then hands inside your right foot. Spin your back foot down. Take it into a warrior 1 lunge. So hands on the ground, sinking into your front knee. Looking back at your left foot. And then from here, go ahead and pivot into a wide-legged forward fold. So turn your right foot in, forward fold, squeeze your thighs toward one another, look behind you. Half lift, pull forward. Exhale and fold. And now pivot so your left foot is facing forward. Turn your right foot to face back as well. Hands either side of your front foot. Runner's lunge, left foot forward. So working on opening up the right hip now, keeping your chest long, keeping the weight in your left hip. 2 breaths. Maybe hovering your hands for the last one. And then hands inside your front foot. Spin your back foot down 45 degrees. Sink into the lunge. So kind of like a warrior one with your feet. Hips squaring forward. Just hands are on the ground so we can work a little bit deeper into your hips. Feel free to crawl your foot forward or move your back foot back. One more deep breath here. And then straighten your left leg, turn that in, come into a wide-legged forward fold. Thighs squeeze toward one another. Inhale to a half lift. Exhale and fold. And then sweep your hands back to the right foot, back into a runner's lunge, and then step your right leg to the back, moving into a plank. Tailbone reaching toward your heels, belly button lifting up, head pressing forward, neck up. So don't let your head drop, keep your neck up. Two breaths here. Next exhale, lowering down all the way. Elbows staying in tight. Flip your feet, one leg at a time, reach back. And when you're ready, lift up into a cobra, full body engagement. Slowly getting higher and longer as you hold the posture. Three breaths here. Maybe looking slightly higher. One last breath. And releasing down. Go ahead and take it into a child's pose. Knees wide, big toes touch. Forehead relaxed. And think of this active. Don't rest in child's pose. Arms are active. Legs are active. Core is active. 3 breaths here. Working on flattening out your spine. All right, and then take it into a down dog from here. So hands can stay as they are. Tuck the toes. Squeeze your knees forward toward your chest. Your legs will go back. Your legs will start to open when you do that. Focus on the muscle engagement in this. Three breaths. Allow your heels to relax down. All right, and then inhale, bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, step to a deep squat. Sink your hips down, drive your knees out, lift your chest up, lean back. Almost like you're getting your sternum to look up at the ceiling. Three breaths here. A little deeper, a little further back. Last breath. Slowly stand up. Bring your feet together. Lift your arms up. Standing back bend. 3 breaths. Arms back even more. 1 more breath. And then release your hands at your sides.
Thanks for joining me for this workout today. Make sure you subscribe. We put out lots of videos like this on a very regular basis. And to get full access to all of my workouts, my programs, tutorials, and more, head to manfulyoga.com, sign up for a 7-day trial. It's just $1. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.